today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Kaiser Permanente. So for those people who do not know Kaiser Permanente is a non-profit organization which is based in USA and it is used to deal with health problem, alright? So that's the, short description of it. If you want to know more about it, you can go to its Wikipedia to know more about it. Now, how you guys can log in into Kaiser Permanente is follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. Now, you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Kaiser Permanente login. After you search for it, you want to click on the first link over here where it says sign in Kaiser Permanente. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Kaiser's official website where you guys can log in into your account. Once you're over here, you want to enter your user ID of your Kaiser Permanente account and your password. After entering that, if both of them is correct, once you click on sign in, you should be able to log in into your account. If you guys are not able to log in into your account, then basically you guys have not entered the correct information. So enter your correct information, click on sign in, you should be able to log in into your account. And for some reason, if you forgot your user ID or your password, just click on this over here and you should be able to recover it. And if you guys want to create a new account, always click on where it says create my account at the side over here to create your new Kaiser Permanente account, alright? So these are the way on how you guys can create a Kaiser Permanente account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.